FaceSwapper.AI is an innovative tool designed to easily swap faces in photos and videos, changing clothing in the images, using advanced artificial intelligence. Leveraging cutting-edge, deep learning algorithms, FaceSwapper offers users a seamless experience for creating realistic and high-quality face swaps. Whether for fun, creative projects, or professional needs, this tool provides a user-friendly interface and a range of customization options to ensure precise and natural-looking results. And here is how. Let's say we want to insert this person's face into the following photo. Here is how to do it. Go to FaceSwapper.ai website. The sign-up process is easy and straightforward. We won't lose time explaining that. After you created a new account, free credits will be granted to you, which is shown in the top right corner. Every time you use a feature on the platform, some points will be deducted from this balance. You have limited amount of points every day, so choose carefully. Click on Face Swap from the top menu. On the face image space, upload the face file that you want to use. Then add the target image that you want to edit. Now, click on Start Face Swapping. Wait for some time until the process is finished. All done. Please see the difference. Now let's do some cloth changing. Click on Clothes Swap from the top menu. Add the image that you want to edit. Now at the bottom text box type what you want to change, for example, change the color of the dress into red. Boom! Let's try something different. Let's try to change the style of the clothes into medieval. Sounds great. Of course, this AI tool offers other services as well, and new features are being added all the time, which might be covered in future videos. Therefore, like and subscribe, and please use the link in the details section to sign up for free account. Bye for now.